Using formulas and functions in Sheets is very, very similar to using them in Excel. So if you're familiar with those, you can use them here almost in the same way. So what you can do, so I've got some numbers here, and I just want to find the sum of those numbers just to put it in a simple sum formula. So what I can do, there's a couple things I can do. I can come up here. I want my total sum to show up in this cell, so I'm going to come up here to Insert, and I can choose Function. And here are kind of the more popular ones. If I choose More, then you're taken to this support page that has all the different formulas and functions that that you can use in Sheets. So, but I'm just going to do sum. The other thing that you can do is you can just start typing equals and the word sum, and then similar to Excel, this comes up here, and you click on the one you want. Now you can type in this value, or you can click the cells that you want included, or in my case, I'm going to click and drag, and then I'm going to enter the closed parentheses and hit enter, and then it makes the sum. So if I was to change this, then it automatically changes down here also, and you can see when I click on that, there's my formula there. So if you're comfortable and familiar with using forms or formulas and functions in Excel, works pretty much the same way in Google Sheets.